Hello everyone. The concept learning should be viewed as a searching task. Here, the task should be done for getting better hypothesis by searching operation from the hypothesis space capital H. So that's what given here. The from the given training examples here we are having the instance space capital X. So that is having here sky attribute is having three different values. So that is given here. Then temperature attribute is having two different values, that is given here. Humidity is having two different values, that is also given here. So wind is also having two different values, water is also having two different values, forecast attribute is also having two different values. So when you are framing the training example, for example, sky sunny, then temperature warm, then humidity high, then wind is weak, then water is cool, then forecast is change. So this is one of the combination for creating the target concept of this training sample. Suppose it may be a yes. So like that we can create one more a training sample to, this may be a rainy, and this will be a cool, and humidity will be a normal, and wind will be a strong, and water will be a cool, and the forecast will be a change. So for this sample a target concept may be a no. So like this we can create different sample with different combination. So that like that we can create 96 number of instances by using these different combinations. So that is called instance space capital X. Then we have to search the hypothesis space. What is the count of possible hypothesis in this hypothesis space? There is two different hypotheses. One is the syntactically based hypothesis, another one is semantically based hypothesis. In syntactical distinct hypothesis we may have two more different attribute values. Here for sky we are having the three different values, sunny, cloudy, and rainy. With this we will add two more values for the syntactically hypothesis section. So here the two more attributes are question symbol, that means it will accept any value, it will accept any value, and another one value is null value, which is not at all accepting any value. So that means empty, not accepting any value. So every hypothesis is having here one or more null symbols that represented as empty set of instances. That means it classify every instance is negative. Suppose if it is having the null set, then it is called negative training sample. So in syntactically distinct hypothesis, already sky is having three attributes plus this question symbol and null value. So totally we are having five attribute values. Then for temperature already we are having the two attribute values here, warm and cold, plus this two question symbol plus null, we are having four different attribute values. Like that for remaining attribute values also, here we are having two attribute values already, plus these two more we will get four. So with this combination there is the possibility of 5120 hypotheses are possible based upon syntactically distinct hypothesis. You look at that, all the hypotheses are distinct hypothesis syntactically. Then next one is semantically distinct hypothesis. Here we will add only one more value, that is question symbol, that means it will accept any value. So this question symbol will add with all the attribute values. Already sky is having three attribute values, sunny, cloudy, and rainy. So with that plus we will add question symbol. So four values. Like that remaining all attributes are having two values here. So we are having all attributes two values. With this we will add one more value question symbol. So here all attributes are added with one more value question symbol, so 3. So then we will add only one null value with this all uh, different combinations. So finally we will get 973 combination hypothesis. All the hypotheses are distinct hypotheses based on semantically approach. So here the hypothesis space is having syntactically distinct hypothesis 5120 and semantically distinct hypothesis are 973. So here every hypothesis is represented as a conjunction of the constraints. That means suppose if you are having this one, so here Sunny is conjectured with you look at that, Sunny is conjectured with null, null is conjectured with normal, normal is conjectured with strong, then we conjectured with cool, conjectured with change. So when there is the empty, automatically all will come empty, so that means negative sample. So that's why if any hypothesis which is having the uh, negative value, when any example is having a negative value, automatically that will become as a negative sample. So that is the way to know, to view the given problem as a searching problem, like hypothesis space search.